Hello YouTube, Chachi back with another great video, and today's video is about how to fix enhancement tab missing from the sound settings. So when you try to open your sound settings here in the screen as you are seeing, so you try to open for example the speaker in the speaker option, so you will miss the enhancement tab here. As you can see here, general, level, advanced and spatial sounds are here, but enhancement tab is missing from the sound setting. So in order to fix this enhancement tab missing, the thing that we will do is open or click on your search icon here and type here device manager. Manager. So after you type device manager, here the device manager opened, select on the device manager in order to open it. After the device manager open, find for sound video controller, which is on the bottom here, sound video game controller. So click here the sound video game controller, click the arrow here, and after you click the arrow, find for Realtek audio. So as you are seeing here, different drivers are available, but I'm going to select the Realtek audio, then right click on it and select update driver. So after you select the update driver, then select here browse my computer for drivers. So you are going to browse from your computer, which is the list of drivers that are available. Then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select this one and wait. Then it will give you, it's already selected Realtek high definition audio, but select this one, the first one, high definition audio device, the first one. So select the high definition audio device, then select here next and select here again yes. So it starts installing drivers. So here the installation is processing, so wait until it will finish the installation. And as you can see here, the installation is completed successfully, which is the high definition audio device or driver is installed on the computer. And it's asking me to restart the computer. So restart your computer in order to get, which is the enhancement tab, get back to the sound settings. So we are going to restart the computer. So we are here after the restart. So now let's check whether the audio enhancement tab is get back to the sound settings, which is go to the bottom corner, which is the right corner, and you will find the sound option. So select the sound option and right click on it, then select sounds. So here the sound tab is opened and select here the playback. So in my case, the selected one is the Realtek audio speaker, which is click on the marked one or the ticked speaker on your device. So I'm going to right click on it, then select properties. So after you select properties, as you can see, general, level, then enhancement tab is get back to the sound settings, as you can see here. So we got the enhancement tab under the sound settings, so you can use it, the enhancement tab, for any purpose that you want. So this is how you can get back your enhancement tab on the sound settings. And if this video is helpful, please give me a like and give me comments and subscribe and hit down the bell icon in order to get a notification when I release any videos on Chachi Tech. So thank you for watching for today. Chachi Tech out.